Hey guys, welcome back to the e-commerce bartender, and today we're going to be going over Cerebro and getting those 25 words that we need to do our PPC campaign. In a previous video we actually did an intro to this, so I'm not going to get too much in depth of this, but I've reloaded that search from our previous video. So as you can see, when I scroll down here, when we did our Cerebro search and we got all of our ASINs, we ended up with 264 keywords. From those 264 keywords, we were able to consolidate it down to, I think, 145, 150, and then we exported it to an Excel sheet. So let's go over here to the Excel sheet. So on the sheet, you could already see that I've already highlighted a couple words. And like I said before, we're going to be looking around 25, could be more, could be less. It all depends on what you think is good for your market and the words out there that you think are available that will work in this kind of scenario. So let's go ahead and scroll down and see how many words we are working with. 144. And the first thing I usually do is do the Cerebro IQ score and just kind of do it the highest score, because that means those are usually some of the best words out there. And then the next thing I look at is the search volume. I kind of want something in the thousands, because I want enough search volume there to make it worthwhile for ranking for. And plus, like, these vary over time. So like, don't use the search that we did months ago just to find words for our listing and stuff like that. You need to redo this search again and go through this process again, because you want up-to-date search volumes and rankings. One of the next things I look at is the CPR 8-day giveaways. This is basically saying I need to give away for magnetic balls 5mm 64 products in 8 days to rank on that first page. So that's kind of right in my range. I kind of go from like anywhere from 75 to 95. Nothing really above that, or I can go a little bit under that. That's fine in this case, because there are some low-hanging fruit words out here that I kind of like. As you can see, like the 5mm magnetic ball, and then the 5mm magnet ball. Like, all these look really good to me out of all these search terms. And I'm going to throw these into an exact campaign, which we will talk about next time. I'll show you how to set up all the campaigns like exact and also like the product targeting campaigns. So get ready for that video next. I also want to add how important it is to really highlight these words, like I did in green right here. And then if you want to come back to this page, which you should save this sheet, by the way, when you come back to it, you'll see the words you already used, and then you can maybe pick out some other ones that you want to try to rank for once you start building up that keyword pyramid to the best of your abilities. That's probably going to be it for this video today, guys. Get ready for the video tomorrow. We're going to start doing some campaigns. And once again, always comment below if you guys have any questions. You guys have a great day and take care. Thank you.